when no one knows how it feels.
New arrivals boast more power and torque thanks to their downsized and turbocharged engines, but the RS4 is still enormously fast, accelerating from 0-62 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds.
We'll never know.
That's only 0.1 seconds slower than Audi's R8 V8 supercar, and with the potential to hit over 170 miles per hour if you pay extra to have the speed limiter removed. The RS4 is more than fast enough. The Audi's high-revving V8 engine emits a glorious, metallic howl when extended, while its slick 7-speed twin-clutch gearbox is silky smooth in auto mode and responds crisply and quickly to the steering wheel-mounted shift pedals when you take manual control.
We're falling hard to find the answer.
With its widened track, 4-wheel drive transmission, and steamroller wide 265-section tires, the RS4 always feels sure-footed and planted through a series of corners. It's not quite as involved as its Mercedes rival, but it's far closer than you'd expect. Part of its driver appeal is down to the clever sports rear differential, which can send torque to the outside rear wheel to sharpen turn in and reduce understeer. You can also tune the steering weight, throttle response, and gear shift points using the drive select function, although in dynamic mode, the steering is too heavy and lifeless. Yet the RS4 single-S party trick is that it lets you use all of this performance when the weather turns nasty. Thanks to the permanent all-wheel drive setup, it can fire out of slow corners under full power in the wet or dry. Plus, it's plenty comfortable thanks to its low noise levels and slightly softer low-speed ride.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters, it comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster.
It also benefits from a supremely comfortable driving position. This is a super estate, not a fleet-friendly diesel, so you should expect the RS4 to be very expensive to run. Audi claims 26.4 mpg, but if you rev the big V8 engine to the red line all the time, you won't get anywhere near that. Expect mid to late teens if you use all of the performance the RS4 serves up. Audi makes no bones about the RS4 single-S performance potential. The standard A4 is handsome yet a little bland, so the brand's designers have gone to town on the flagship. The heavily blistered wheel arches are nod to the legendary original Quattro of the 80s. While the gaping front grille, deeper bumpers, rear diffuser, and huge oval twin tailpipes give the Audi a huge presence.